Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. We'll start in a minute. Let others also join.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Okay. We'll just wait for a minute.
Ujjwal, turn on your video.
Okay, let's get started. We'll get started. Others should join. It's already 2-3 minutes. Okay, we left at this question yesterday, right? So I'm sure some of the students tried it after the class. So what is the best way to do it?
Mukul Bhardwaj, turn on a video.
Ma'am, Mukul, Mayank are not yet connected. Their audio are not connected yet. So,
Okay, sir. Arshita Garg.
Yes, ma'am, just doing.
अर्शिता आपका वीडियो ऑन क्यों नहीं है?
Ma'am, just turning on in a moment.
okay. So ये question किसी ने किया? How, what's the best way of handling this question? The attempts we made yesterday weren't good enough, right? It was only complicating the problem. Okay, so one approach is cross multiplication. Okay. One approach is cross multiplication. Okay, so you can do that. That will take you some time and you can solve it. So that is one way. Another is from the proportionality chapter you learned in class 8. Remember the rule componendo dividendo. You remember the rule componendo dividendo, which says that if A by B is equal to C by D, right? Then we can also say that A minus B by A plus B is equal to C minus D by C plus D. Okay, componendo dividendo कई तरह से लिखा जाता है, उसमें से I am writing one form of it, right? Now we can use that here. So what will we get? Cos x minus sin x minus cos x minus sin x. So I will get minus 2 sin x by 2 cos x, adding the two things, right? Similarly, I will get minus 2 root 3 on the top, and I'll get 2 as the denominator. Okay, and this term is 10x, right? Everything else gets cancelled out. So 10x is equal to root 3 and x is equal to 60. Understood? So this will be, according to me, the fastest approach for you. Okay, but if this is just a multiple choice question, you don't have to show the steps. You can do it in one more way. Divide this in the numerator and denominator both by cos x. So आपको क्या मिल जाएगा? 1 minus 10x by 1 plus 10x. ठीक है, अब कंपैरिजन से ही आपको दिख जाएगा कि 10x is equal to √3. Just by comparing you can see. So if it is a multiple choice question, you could do it this way. That would be your fastest approach. But if you have to show all the steps, this will be your perfect approach. Okay, let's move forward. Any doubts? Anybody has any doubts?
Vansh Manglik and Sarika Kasana, turn on a video. Vansh Manglik and Sarika Kasana.
Sarika, your videos are still not on. Okay, let's do the next question now. How would we do this?
We can use the identity here. Cos square x minus cot square x is equal to 1.
We can use cos square x. Which identity you are saying we can use?
So cos x square x minus cot square x is equal to 1.
Okay, so then what would happen?
So from this equation cot x plus cos x is equal to 2. We can substitute the value of cot x.
Mhm. So you are saying we could use right? Now you want to substitute the value from here?
सर मुकुल भारद्वाज की ऑडियो अभी तक कनेक्ट नहीं हुई है सर स्टार्टिंग से ही,
Yes.
तो सर रिमूव कर दीजिए सर इसे.
Okay, yeah, sure. Okay. So how would we proceed after that? Will that help me reach my goal? Tell me, will that help me reach my goal? See, I want the answer for this, right? So I think the best would be that we need the answer in cos, right? So let's get it in the sine and cos form. So we need not to start with that. We will say cos x by sine x plus 1 by sine x is equal to 2. It will mean 1 plus cos x by sine x is equal to 2. Right? Then what could we do?
So 1 plus cos x value will be 2 sin x.
1 plus cos x is 2 sine x, yes. And then what could we do? We have to find this. What is sin x? See, finally we need cos x. There is no sin x here, right? There is no sin x. So we say 1 by plus cos x, and sin x is 1
1 minus
minus
cos
cos
square x.
square x under root, right? Which is 1 plus cos x, and under root we will get 1 plus cos x, 1 plus cos x, 1 minus cos x, right? Which will result in under root 1 plus cos x, 1 minus cos x, right? Because this, I can write it as this, isn't it? So I will get this. This and this gets cancelled out. I'll be left with this. All these things have been equal to 2. So I square both the sides. I will get 1 plus cos x by 1 minus cos x is equal to 4. Okay. So this is one method of doing it. You could have made some use of this identity if you would really pursue it. Okay. Actually using this identity and this result both, right? You can still actually do it because you can find that 1 minus cos x by sin x is also equal to 2, or is equal to half actually, if you do it. And then you can divide and you will get the result. But that I think is more difficult. This is the simplest possible approach. Okay. The value of, sorry, it is sin square x. Don't get afraid. Okay. The value of sin square x plus 1 by 1 plus tan square x is?
Sir, 1.
Yes. This is straightforward because this thing is equal to sec square x.
Sec square x.
1 upon sec square x is cos square x. Sin square x plus cos square x is equal to 1. Okay. Anybody who has doubts, please stop me. Okay. Let's do this one. Sec x plus tan x is equal to p. Then we have to find the value of p square minus 1 by p square plus 1. I think I've copied it wrong.
Ajay Kasana, Sadika Kasana, and Shekhar Kasana, and Vansh, turn on your video.
अजय शेखर बेटा वीडियो ऑन रखिए, इससे सबका टाइम वेस्ट होता है।
शेखर अभी तक आपकी नहीं ऑन हुई है, सभी की ऑन हो गई है, आपकी रह गई है। शेखर कसाना, आप कहाँ पर हो? बाहर से क्लास ले रहे हो? यस के शेखर कसाना,
धूम में बैठा हूँ।
वीडियो ऑन रखना कंपलसरी है, ओके?
Sarika, your visual is not coming. Your video is on, but we can't see you. Fix that. Karthik, your video, okay, now it's coming.
सारिका, ये आपने कैमरे के आगे कोई ऑब्जेक्ट रखा हुआ है, इससे आपका कोई विजुअल नहीं शो हो रहा है। कैमरे के आगे से ऑब्जेक्ट हटाइए ये क्यों रखा हुआ था आपने कोई ऑब्जेक्ट कैमरे के आगे?
बेटा ऐसे
शेखर
नहीं
कसाना
करना.
आपका
Your
सर
visual
नेक्स्ट
should
टाइम
be.
से आप रिमूव कर देना इन्हें।
Okay. So maintain this discipline, beta. This is really important. Okay. Okay. Let's continue. कैसे करेंगे इसको? One is to directly expand and do, right? Should we just go ahead and do that? So what will we get? Sec square x plus 10 square x plus 2 sec x 10x minus 1. And we will have the same thing, sec square x plus 10 square x plus 2 sec x 10x plus 1, right? Now what can we do?
सर हम sec स्क्वायर माइनस 1 को 10 स्क्वायर x लिख सकते हैं,
Right? So this part we can put as 10 square x, and similarly this part, right, we can put as sec square x.
sec स्क्वायर
So we will get 10 square x plus 10 square x, so 2 10 square x plus 2 sec x 10x. Similarly, we will get 2 sec square x plus 2 sec x 10x. Okay. So we can take 2 10x outside here, and we will get 10x plus sec x. And we can take 2 sec x outside here, and we will again get 10x plus sec x. So we will get 10x by sec x, right? What will that evaluate to? Let's
Sin x.
sin x. Right? So we will be just left with sin x. So the answer is sin x. Okay. If 10x is equal to a by b, then the value of b sin x minus a cos x divided by b sin x plus a cos x.
Sir, the answer is 0.
Yes. Very good. So See, the best way to do it is just expand this, right? So you will get sin x by cos x is equal to a by b, right? Cross multiply. You will get b sin x is equal to a cos x, right? So the numerator will become 0, the denominator will not be a 0. So the entire thing will become 0. 0 divided by anything is a 0. Okay? Which of the following is not true? So what should we do? It's the best, easiest way is to start keep eliminating at least what we know is true, right? Now, is this true? The first one,
Yes, sir, this is true.
right? Because we can write it as cos square 25 degrees, right? So a is cos square x plus sin square x ho gaya, which is 1. So we know it is true. Okay. Now let's look at this one. Is this true?
सर आप रिमूव कर दीजिए शेखर एंड सारिका कसाना को.
Yes, sir, on that putting the values, it is also true.
Just Sarika is
सर
still not
शेखर
visible.
कसाना को रिमूव कर दीजिए, अभी वीडियो ऑफ है इसकी, स्टार्टिंग से वीडियो ऑफ है.
किसकी मैम?
एक सेकंड सर, शेखर कसाना.
Shekhar I have removed. Sarika is still not okay, right? Her face is not visible.
So B option is not is correct.
D option is the right answer.
Okay. Right. हाँ. तो ये हमें कैसे पता चला कि ये ठीक है? C.
Sir, on putting the values.
value पर
हमने वैल्यू पुट करके देख लिया, राइट? सो cos 60 डिग्री क्या होता है? हाफ
1 by
होता है,
2.
राइट? और ये भी cos 60 डिग्री है, तो ये हाफ हो जाएगा, राइट? Sorry. Yeah, so this will be 1 by 4, 2 by 4, right? So which is half is equal to half, right? So ये भी correct है. Now let's look at this one. So
this
is
one
this
is also
correct?
Yes, sir, this is also correct.
How do we know this is correct?
No, sir, I'm saying about B.
B. How do we know it is correct?
Sir, not D, B.
I know B. How do we know this is correct? So
So
this is
sin 90
cos
by
theta.
Sir,
cos
sin 90
theta.
This is
Yes.
sin theta, right?
and that will be tan theta by sec square
हाँ,
theta.
right? So which is cos square theta हो जाएगा इसकी जगह, और इसकी जगह sin theta by cos theta. Okay, so sin theta cos theta यहाँ भी हो रहा है, यहाँ भी हो रहा है. We don't have to show any steps, so we can do it at that place, right? We can solve the left and right hand side both. Okay, so which means by elimination we are left with this to be wrong, right? And we can try solving it to see that it doesn't come to this, but that is a very difficult thing to do, right? Trying to figure out that it will not come to this can be usually pretty difficult. Okay, but if you have to verify, right, what can you do to verify this?
So cos square theta minus sin square theta की वैल्यू आ जाएगी -1.
Cos square theta minus sin square theta is equal to -1 आ जाएगा, is it? I didn't try solving it, but one is you could use some value, right? For example, you can use the value of theta as 0 degrees, right? So you use the value of theta as 0 degree, this will immediately evaluate to 0. This will evaluate to 0 and this will evaluate to 1, right? So 1 is equal to 0 आ रहा है, ये गलत है, right? So you can verify it using some value, but usually ये difficult होता है कि हम एक चीज को ये कहें कि ये इसके इक्वल नहीं है, right? Without verification is usually difficult. Okay. If sin x plus cosec x is equal to 2, then sin raised to the power 10x plus cosec raised to the power 10x is equal to.
So 2.
Is equal to 2. How did you get that? How did you get the answer 2? Mayank and Ajay, your videos are off. Please switch them on immediately. Mayank, you too. Mayank Garg. Ajay Kasana.
Yes, sir.
वीडियो ऑन रखिए बेटा.
सर
मैं
वीडियो ऑन है
सचिन
मेरी
चौधरी
तो।
आप भी वीडियो ऑन रखिए. प्रियांशी प्रशांत चौधरी.
प्रियांशी आपका वीडियो ऑफ क्यों है आज?
No sir, my video is on.
No, it was off. Now it is on, but it was off.
सर एक मैसेज आया था इम्पोर्टेंट, वो देखा था बस.
तो अजय एंड मयंक अपना वीडियो ऑन रखिए बेटा, बार बार ऑफ कर रहे हो. हाँ, कैसे आया आपका आंसर 2?
But that was wrong.
That's wrong.
तो x की वैल्यू तक आ गया बट उसके आगे समझ नहीं आ रहा.
X का क्या वैल्यू आ गई है?
90 डिग्री.
Okay. अगर x की वैल्यू 90 डिग्री आ गई है, then you can find the answer. वही तो मुश्किल काम था.
Okay sir, got it.
क्या है आंसर?
Sir 2.
2. Okay. Right. So let's do this. Okay. So sin x plus 1 by sin x is equal to 2, which will mean sin square x, okay, plus 1 is equal to 2 sin x.
So now we will solve it by using quadratic equations.
Yes, sin square x minus 2 sin x plus 1 is equal to 0. Now this is an easy one because we can use the identity. So it is sin x minus 1 whole square is equal to 0, which means sin x is equal to 1. Is equal to 1, which also means cosec x is equal to 1 because that is 1 by 1, right?
Yes.
So it is 1 raised to the power 10 plus 1 raised to the power 10. So 1 plus 1, which is 2. Okay. So this is a kind of question which, you know, is designed to intimidate you. By looking at, you know, we have never worked with powers of 10. It can look like a very difficult question, right? But this could have been anything. This could have been even 1000 or 999. Anything raised to the power 1, okay,
Arshita, girl,
will
Nidhi
remain the
Bhati.
same.
Nidhi Bhati.
Yes, ma'am.
आपने ऑब्जेक्ट क्यों लगाया हुआ है अपने कैमरे के आगे?
मैम हम लिख रहे थे इसमें।
अजय कसाना एंड अजय कसाना, बेटा आपका क्या प्रॉब्लम है? व्हाई आर यू कीपिंग योर कैमरा ऑफ अगेन
सर
एंड
मेरा
अगेन?
खुल तो रही है सर वीडियो।
नहीं,
बेटा
जब
जब
आपसे कहा
बोलते
जाए
हैं
तभी ऑन होता है।
तभी ऑन करते हो।
सर मैंने खोल रखी थी वीडियो। आप
नहीं, आपकी ऑफ थी अजय। मैं बहुत देर से ऑब्जर्व कर रही हूँ सभी को।
ओके,
मैम
ऑन
मेरी
रख।
वीडियो खुली है मैम, वीडियो बना के भेजू मैं दूसरी?
बेटा हमें दिखता है ना यहाँ पे, उसको ऑन ही रखिए।
ऑन ही है सर, मुझे क्या मजा आ रहा है बंद करने में।
अजय, मैंने सर मजे की बात नहीं कर रहे, आपका वीडियो ऑफ हो जाता है। मैं पार्टिसिपेंट से भी देख रही हूँ, आगे से भी शो करके देख रही हूँ, आपका वीडियो ऑफ था। और आपका ये आपका नेम है ना, 3 और 4 टाइम्स बोला गया है।
मैम वीडियो तो मेरा बंद ही नहीं था।
चलिए, लेट्स मूव ऑन। If cosec 39 degrees is equal to x, the value of this expression we have to find. How would we do this? What should we start doing when we see a question like this, right? Obviously, cosec is a more difficult number to work with, right? So we know sine 39 degrees is equal
So
to
1 minus x square.
1 by x, right? Okay, you got the answer, 1 minus x square. Let's see if we get that answer, okay? So sine 39 degrees is equal to 1 by x, right? So now let's try and do this. So what will this become?
Sine square 51 degree.
So this will become sine square 51 degree, and sine square 51 degree will become cos square 51 degrees, right? So this thing is equal to cos square 39 degrees, right? So ये sin क्या बना पहले? Sin square 51 बना, which is equal to cos square 39 degrees, right? सो अब ये cos स्क्वायर 39 प्लस साइन स्क्वायर 39, तो यहां तक हमारा इवेल्युएट होकर क्या आ गया, 1 आ गया. We don't even have to use the value of x abhi, right? Similarly, what is 10 square 51 degrees? This can be written as sec
Cos square 39 degree.
This can be written as sec square 51 degrees minus 1, right? Right? है ना? And what is sec square 51? Cosec square 39. So this will evaluate to x square minus 1. Right? So ये 1 आ गया, तो अभी तक के रिजल्ट लिखते चलते हैं. 1 प्लस एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस 1, तो अभी तक एक्स स्क्वायर आया है. Right? Now we come to the last term. What is the last term now? This is cos square 39, right? This thing is cos square 39. This is sec square 39. So that will become 1. So the last term is 1. So which is minus 1. Okay. So we are left with x square minus 1. C is
Sir?
Yeah.
सर sec स्क्वायर 51 माइनस 1 एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस 1 कैसे हो गया?
10 स्क्वायर 51. देखिए 10 स्क्वायर 51 को आई कैन राइट एज sec स्क्वायर 51 minus 1. Right? What is sec square 51? Cosec square 39. Sec and cosecant are complementary. So
ओके सर, आगे समझ आ गया.
ठीक है, और इसकी वैल्यू x है, इस चीज की, तो x स्क्वायर माइनस 1. राइट? उसी तरीके से लास्ट वाला भी समझ आ गया कैसे 1 हो गया है. If anybody has doubts, please let me know in the last one.
No, sir.
Okay. Okay, let's move on. How will we do this one? We have to straightforward solve this one. Okay. So just go ahead and solve it. You will get your answer. So we will get 10x plus cot x is equal to 2 10x minus 2 cot x. Right? So we will get 10x is equal to 3 cot x. Okay. So 3 is equal to 10 square x. Right? Cot x नीचे is 1 by 10x. So वहां पे जाएगा 10 square x हो जाएगा. Implies 10x is equal to root 3. So x is